Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make quick and easy blueberry muffins. This recipe is simple, delicious, and a great example of a quick bread, a baked product that uses a chemical leavener instead of yeast. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already prepared my mise en place, everything measured and ready to go. So here is what you will need. Some all-purpose flour, some milk, some oil, some baking powder, sugar, a large egg, some salt, some blueberries. So for the tools, I prepared a whisk, rubber spatula, a tablespoon, and 2 bowls to mix the ingredients, wet and dry ingredients. So the baking powder is our chemical leavener today. It reacts with moisture and heat to release carbon dioxide, which makes our muffins rise and become light and fluffy. So in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to mix the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. So I'm mixing them together. I'm gonna use a whisk to mix them evenly. This step helps distribute the leavener and ensures our muffins bake evenly. So my next step will be in another bowl. I'm going to whisk together the egg, sugar, milk, oil, vanilla extract, so I'm going to whisk them together until this mixture is smooth. The sugar will start to dissolve and the mixture should look slightly pale and creamy. Now I need to gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. As I said, so this mixture looks very nice. It's pale and creamy, which was my goal. So now I'm going to, as I said, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. So using a spatula, I'm going to stir until just combined. And you need to be careful not to overmix, because overmixing can make the muffins dense and tough. So my next step will be, I'm gonna add the fresh blueberries and fold them in gently. So if you mix too much, the berries can burst and turn the batter blue. So just make sure you do not mix too much. And my very last step will be, I'm gonna divide the batter evenly into a lined muffin tin here. So this recipe makes about 7 to 9 muffins. And if you can sprinkle a little extra sugar on top if you like a sweet crust. I'm gonna show you. So I divided the batter evenly into a lined muffin tin. And as I promised to show you, you can sprinkle a little bit extra sugar on top if you like a sweet crust. It's brown sugar. Just a little bit. So now I'm going to bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. And here are our beautiful blueberry muffins. You can see how they have risen nicely. That's the baking powder at work. It created air bubbles that expanded during baking, giving us the light, fluffy texture.